Oh, wow. I can't believe that Apple has taken the time in creating the most beautiful green core I have ever seen. Is this as good as it actually looks? Let's find out in this video review and testing. Hello and welcome back to the show. In today's video, we are going to be checking out something brand new here. It is time for me to upgrade, and I got the brand new iPhone, the green edition. This is not a regular phone, this is the iPhone 13. So should I get the 13 mini versus my old one, which was the SE from the year 2020? Yes, it's getting old because it's already 2 years old, and in Apple terms, it's getting almost vintage. So which one is the better phone? This one or this one? But more likely, which is the better color combination, and should you get the green version for yourself? On top of it, there is a bonus in this video. We're also going to be checking out two cool accessories for this phone and testing them out as well, specifically this one right here. So would this 12 case actually fit a 13 iPhone? Let's find out in this video review and presentation. Presenting to you the iPhone 13 mini, the green edition, the one you have been waiting for. So this is the box that is included over here, and unboxing it. So what do we get in this iPhone? That's pretty interesting that they actually cut this off right in the box itself. And it does show you every one of the features. There's the power on, this is the plus, this is the minus, and the bell sign right here. Included inside is the following. We get charging cable without the charger, because most people have the charger. No longer it comes with the free headphones, because they want you to buy the expensive headphones. And it comes with the specific tool. You don't need this pin anymore to open up to get the SIM card out. On the back, this is what it looks like. So the moment you have been waiting for. Oh, it looks almost black. Don't tell me it's the black one. No, it's the green one. And why did I get the green one? Because the red edition was too red. It was like bloody red. Look how shiny the back is. It's because the new version has this mirror-like surface on it, and it makes everything shine. Now, if it had the camouflage version, it would have been even better. My first pick is the red one. But, unfortunately, the red one is way too bright. Now, this is the original SE. And this is to compare a potential red one with the green one. It looks like this is much more slick. Plus, the black version is no longer black. This is possibly the best color, except the red, for this version, because the black version, it's space gray. So it's kind of bluish, and I don't like it. I wish they had the black one back. So this is also to show you the SE version, how it actually looks like compared to the green one. You can see how the font actually looks pretty black. So most of the time you're not going to be able to see this if you have some very good protection for it. Should you get the green one? Is a very good question. Now, one thing I do suggest for you to get is to get a screen protector for it and a blue light filter. So this is the one I got, which is both a blue light filter and a screen protector, and it stops all the blue light radiation from getting into your eyes. The good thing about this, you can use this hours at a time and still go to sleep without ruining your sleep cycle. It's really good. The next thing I do suggest for you to get is this UAG. There's many different versions for it. This is one of my favorites. It's the Camo Edition, and it works awesome with the green. You can see how this actually almost matches. The only thing that I'm sad is that I don't have a camouflage version for this one. See how it's going to fit right off the box and how it's going to look like over here. Now with the red version, it's kind of cool because with the red one it has a Terminator eye over here. And what I mean by Terminator eye, let me show you. We have the red one right here. The same exact case here used before. You can see the Terminator eye right there, which just makes it really like a Terminator from the movie. And this one doesn't really come out as good, but it's still great. Also, what I like about this case is you can actually feel all those things on here, and it survives very good. So in case you're wondering, hey, how good is this case? It looks pretty bad. Well, my phone didn't even break yet. I've been using it almost every single day for a very long time, and it dropped multiple times. You don't see any damage on it almost whatsoever. So this is a very good case, the UAG. You can see it's unbroken. Looks like new. See? Works excellent. Now we'll leave this for the comparison purpose over here. But the green version is fascinating. It's beautiful. It's really dark green. Really the darker green than the light green that is with the Apple Pro. I think it looks pretty slick and nice. I'm still on the fence here a little bit because the red one is just so much more sexier. In my opinion, it's really hard to make a decision. It really is. It's like, which one is better? Which one? The red or the green one? And because the red one is much more brighter for the SE version, I still think the green one is potentially one of your best matches over here. It's not the best choice, but it's one of the best out there for you. Now, how easily does the UAG filter fits on it? And guess what? I bought this for a steal. Guess how much I paid for this? $10. That's it. And you know why I paid so little for it? It's because this case is not made for this phone. It's made for the 12. How amazing is that? So the 12 version can work, and the 8 version can also work for this case. In fact, let's go ahead and check it out. Actually, I was wrong. It's only the 12 version that will work for this case. In case you don't believe me, let's do the test. Does it fit? Does it fit? Yes, it does. This is why it's so much cheaper. Now, it's not 100% perfect, to be fair here. But if you don't want to shell out $60 for a brand new case, this will work. Not only it works, take a look at here. It almost fits this thing perfectly. So do you really need a 13 case to put in? No. You can just use the UAG 12 case and it lines up amazingly on this without any problems whatsoever. And yes, all the buttons actually function and work, and all the ports are easily accessible as well. See? It even turns on. How cool is that? So should you get the green one? I'll let you decide. But for me, this works perfectly. You take And look at this. Doesn't take too long to get it out and get this in. And it looks stylish and amazing as well. Thank you so much for getting all the way to the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and in case you love this channel, make sure you subscribe to it. So a few things I actually don't like about the green edition and why I may not actually end up getting it. One is very simple. The dust. We have a dust problem, NASA. The dust problem is very unusual, but it seems like this phone attracts a huge amount of dust right to the back screen of it. Now, with the red phone, it never seems to be an issue. Somehow with the green version, it's either I see all those specks of dust or something in the process of making it makes the electricity or something about the static all by itself get a bunch of dust right on this. Other than that, it's all about the color choice for you. Which one is the best looking color for you? If you don't really care, why are you watching this video? But if you do, I think the green one looks kind of slick. It's a very nice addition to the Apple phone lineup. I really wish they made a lot more choices for you to pick from, but this is one of the best color codes that is available right now on the market. Hopefully you did decide that you enjoyed this video. If I own a subscription, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's the best way for you to support me. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Biggest question is, are you going to be getting the green version? And if so, why and why not? Comment below so you can communicate with other people who are watching this channel as well, including myself.